In the history of the Philippines, there is one name that stands tall. Even after more than a century since his passing, Dr. Rizal, a writer, scholar, doctor, and national hero, Rizal's life and work sparked a revolution that changed the fate of the entire nation. His fight for equality and justice through peaceful means continues to inspire Filipinos today. Jose Protasio Rizal was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna during the Spanish colonial period. Coming from a well-to-do family, Rizal had access to education, something rare for Filipino at that time. He traveled to Spain, France, and Germany to study medicine, literature, and the science. But even as he pursued knowledge in foreign lands, his heart remained with his fellow Filipinos who suffered under the harsh and corrupt rule of Spanish eh, officials. Rizal's greatest weapon was not a sword or a gun. It was the power of his word. In 1987, he published his first novel, Noli Me Tangere, or Touch Me Not. This novel exposed the injustice and abuse of the Spanish colonizer, particularly the prior who controlled the social, political, and religious aspect of Filipino life. The novel awake the Filipino people to the realities of their oppressions and ignite their desire for change. But Rizal's writing did not come without consequence. His work was seen as a threat to the colonial authorities, and in 1896, he was arrested for inciting rebellion. Though Rizal did not directly lead armed resistance, his ideas fueled the revolutionary movement, and he was charged with sedition. On December 30, 1896, Jose Rizal was executed by firing squad at Bagong Bayan, now known as Rizal Park. His death was the silence him, but instead it only strengthened the resolve of the Filipino people. Rizal became a rally point for the revolutionaries who would eventually declare the independence from Spain in 1896. Rizal's influence extends far beyond the day of his death. To this day, he is celebrated as the national hero of the Philippines. His life serving as a symbol of the power of education, patriotism, and peaceful resistance. Every December 30, Rizal Day is commemorated, reminding Filipinos of the sacrifice he made for the freedom they enjoy today. In today's Philippines, Rizal legacy can be seen in the country ongoing struggle for equalities, justice, and good governance. Rizal taught that freedom goes beyond independence. It requires an informed, educated, and united people. His call for reform and his vision of a just society continue to inspire activism, scholars, and leaders in the Philippines and abroad.